Hi everyone, welcome back to English Flow Talks.
I'm David.
And I'm Emily. Thanks for being here with us today.
Today's episode is very simple, very real, and very useful.
We're going to talk about our daily routine,
Not a perfect routine,
not a productive influencer routine.
just real life.
Simple English, slow English, English you can actually understand.
So if you're a beginner,
Or if you feel tired when English feels too hard,
this episode is for you.
put your headphones on, relax, and just listen.
Talking about your daily routine is one of the easiest things in English.
Because everyone has one.
You wake up,
You eat,
you work or study,
you rest,
nothing complicated.
and the vocabulary is simple.
Wake up. Eat. Go. Come back. Sleep.
You don't need big words.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need to explain your day.
And today, we'll do that together.
Let's start with the morning. Mornings say a lot about us. So, David, what time do you usually wake up?
On weekdays, I wake up around 7 a.m.
Around 7?
Yes, not exactly 7 o'clock. Sometimes 6:50, sometimes 7:10.
That's very real.
The alarm rings.
And do you get up immediately?
No, never.
Same here.
I stay in bed for a few minutes.
Me too. I open my eyes.
I check my phone.
Not the best habit.
But it happens.
I look at messages, sometimes emails.
Sometimes social media.
And then, slowly, I get up.
After that, I go to the bathroom.
Same.
I wash my face.
Brush my teeth.
Nothing fancy.
Very basic.
Then I go to the kitchen.
And this is an important part.
Breakfast.
Do you always eat breakfast?
Most days, yes.
What do you usually eat?
Something simple. Toast, eggs, coffee.
Coffee is essential.
Absolutely.
I can't start my day without coffee.
Same. I sit down. I drink my coffee slowly.
Do you rush in the morning?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
I like calm mornings.
Me too.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I get dressed.
Do you choose your clothes quickly?
Very quickly. I don't think too much.
That saves time.
Exactly.
After getting dressed, I usually slow down for a moment. I don't run out of the house immediately.
Me neither.
I like to take a few minutes.
To understand what kind of day it's going to be.
Exactly. So I usually check my schedule.
Your plans for the day?
Yes, work, meetings, small tasks.
I do the same thing.
Do you check your schedule on your phone or on your computer?
On my phone, usually.
Me too. It's faster.
Sometimes I feel calm when I see my schedule.
And sometimes stressed.
Yes, especially on busy days.
After that, I prepare myself mentally.
What do you mean?
I tell myself, okay, this is the day I have.
That's a good mindset.
I don't try to make it perfect.
Just possible.
Exactly. So, do you usually leave the house early?
On work days, yes.
Why early?
Because I don't like to rush.
Me neither.
When I rush, I feel anxious.
Same here. Do you drive or take public transport?
I usually take public transport.
Bus? Train?
Mostly the train.
And how long is your commute?
About 30 minutes.
That's a good amount of time.
Yes, not too long, not too short.
What do you usually do during the commute?
I listen to music.
Any specific type?
Something calm.
To start the day slowly.
Exactly.
Do you ever listen to podcasts?
Sometimes, yes.
In English?
Sometimes in English.
That's a great habit.
It helps me stay connected to the language.
And you don't need to understand everything.
Just listening is enough.
That's something beginners need to hear.
You don't need to study during your commute.
You can just listen.
Relax.
And let English be part of your day. When I arrive at work, I already feel more focused.
Me too.
That small routine helps a lot.
It sets the tone for the day.
Let's talk about the afternoon.
The busiest part of the day.
Usually,
This is when I feel the most pressure.
Me too. What do your afternoons usually look like?
Most afternoons I work.
The whole afternoon?
Yes, from early afternoon until the end of the day.
Same here.
Meetings,
Emails,
messages,
tasks that need attention.
and sometimes too many things at the same time.
That's very real. Do you feel more tired in the afternoon?
Yes, especially after lunch.
That's common.
My energy goes down.
Mine too. So, do you take breaks?
I try to.
How often?
Every hour if possible.
That's a good habit.
I stand up,
Stretch a little.
drink some water.
Sometimes I just stop looking at the screen.
That helps a lot.
Do you ever go outside?
Sometimes.
Even for a short walk?
Yes, 5 minutes is enough.
Fresh air changes everything.
It really does.
Let's talk about lunch.
Yes.
What time do you usually have lunch?
Around 1 p.m.
Do you eat at home or outside?
Most days at home.
Do you cook?
Sometimes.
And other times?
Leftovers.
That's honest. Is your lunch usually big or light?
Light.
Why?
Because if I eat too much.
You feel sleepy.
Exactly.
Same here. After lunch, is it easy to focus?
Not always.
Me neither.
That's when I need more breaks.
And more patience.
Yes.
But even with all that,
The afternoon is still productive.
because we keep going.
One task at a time.
No perfection.
Just progress.
Now, let's slow down.
The evening.
After work, I feel tired.
Same.
What do you usually do after work?
I go home.
First thing?
I change my clothes.
That feels good.
Very good.
Then dinner?
Yes, something light.
Do you cook?
Sometimes.
Other times, delivery?
Yes, honest answer.
After dinner, I like quiet activities.
Me too.
Watching a show.
Listening to music.
Reading.
Or just resting.
Before sleeping, I try to slow my mind.
That's important.
I turn off bright lights.
I stop checking emails.
Sometimes I read.
Sometimes I just lie in bed.
What time do you usually go to sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
That's reasonable.
I try to sleep well.
Sleep changes everything.
Everything we said today,
Is simple English.
no big words,
No complex grammar.
but it's real.
This is how people talk.
And if you can talk about your day,
You can talk about many things.
English doesn't need to be perfect.
It needs to be real. Thanks for spending this time with us.
If you understood most of this episode,
You're doing great.
keep listening.
Keep going.
And remember,
Simple English is powerful. See you in the next episode.